How to use Canva for a slideshow. Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can use Canva to create a mini slideshow for your images. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to click this option over here that says video. Now if you don't see the video in your options for the For You, you can simply go onto the video option and then you would be able to see all the different templates you can create a video on. Now let us proceed by clicking on this video. Now we are redirected to this page over here where we can edit our video. Now if you have your photos that you want to use, you can simply upload them into your Canva and then follow the steps that I'm about to do. Now for me, I don't have any photos that I want to use, but I'm going to get all the photos I'm going to use right now all inside Canva. By simply going to the elements, I'm going to search a topic. The topic that I want to search is woods. Then we're going to click on photos, and then I'm going to choose a photo that I like the most. I'm going to choose this photo over here, simply gonna drag it over here. Then I'm going to click on the image and then click on edit image. Now I'm simply just going to click on the adjust option over here, and then I'm going to focus on the option called blur. We're simply gonna make this image a blur, and you could also play around with the other settings like contrast, saturations, brightness. And I'm going to make some small changes to make our image more brighter. After that, you would simply need to drag the same image into the page once again, like this. Then we have a version of our image that is not blurred. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on edit image. Then we're going to click on frames. Now over here we have a lot of options for frames such as laptop, phones, Polaroids, neons, glitters, films, and many more. For me, I'm going to choose to use Polaroid white. And I'm going to adjust the size and make it centered. Then I'm going to do the same for other clips. We're going to simply look for other photos. The next thing I'm going to search is ocean. Then hit enter. Going to click on photos once again, and then I'm going to choose an image that I like. Now I'm going to choose this image over here, this sunset, and I'm gonna drag it there. Then click on edit image. Then click on adjust once again, and we're going to blur. We can add more saturation to it, add more contrast, just like that. And then we're going to drag it once again into our canvas. And then we have the unblurred version of the original photo. I'm going to do the same thing. We're going to the frames, choose a frame. We're still going to go with Polaroid white, or actually I'm going to go with Polaroid black this time. Then we're going to resize this, make it centered. And just like that, we have our second clip. Now I'm going to add more pages with different topics, and you can just follow along. The next topic I want to add is mountains. Then I'm going to click on photos, choose a mountain picture that I like. I'm going to choose this one. Simply gonna drag this over here and edit image. Click on adjust. We're going to blur it once again, make the saturation or contrast higher. Then we're going to drag it again into our canvas. Going to adjust it a bit, then click on edit image, add another frame, and make it Polaroid white this time. And then I'm going to make it centered. And then another one, we're going to add another topic, which will be desert. Going to click on photos. Then we're going to choose a photo that we like. I'm going to choose this one. Then once again, do the same thing. Edit, adjust, make it blur, adjust the saturation, then the contrast. Then drag the same image back into our canvas. Edit the image, add a frame. Going to use the Polaroid black this time so that it's alternating. And we're going to adjust it and make it centered, just like that. Get a bit higher. Okay, check the other. We can check the other clips we made. This is a bit smaller than the others. I'm going to make it a bit bigger. And like that. And then we can add a text into our clips, which is like just like this. I'm going to click this font style. Going to drag it over here. And I'm going to change the text to forest. I'm going to remove this text there. And I'm going to resize this and then drag it over here. I'm going to change the font to black. Change the background to this color. Just like that. I'm going to copy this and then go to other size. I'm going to change this one to ocean. We're going to change the font to another color, so it's easier to read. It's like that. Then we're going to do the same to this page. Control V. Change the message to mountain. Change the font to be a bit smaller. It's like that. And then we're going to arrange it once again. Then we're going to do the same with our last clip over here. Changing the words to desert. We're going to change the font color to white. And just like that, we have names for each and every clip. Now the next thing we're going to do is animate each clip over here by simply clicking on the animate button over here. We can change the different combinations such as simple, sleek, fun, party, any options that you want. I'm going to choose incorporate for this one, then apply to all pages. Now if you play this, we will now see this animation. Just like that. Each clip is a little bit long, so we're going to shorten it by simply dragging the sides, just like that. And we're going to make it into 2 seconds each at least. Just like this. Doing it here again. That. Now when we play it, it's going to be quick. Just like that. Now we're going to add a music. We're going to add a music background for our mini slideshow by simply clicking on elements, and then we're going to search music. And we're going to scroll down and click on audio. We can choose any of this, and I'm going to choose this audio right here. Then I'm just simply gonna drag it over here, and just like that. We can adjust the audio sounds by clicking here, and then we'll try this out. And just like that, we have created a mini slideshow for our different photos. And that's it, guys. That's how you use Canva for a slideshow for your images. Thanks for watching.